Okay, so now I'm going to edit this chart. In the previous video, I showed you how to make the graph. It had live updates, it shows everything that's in there. So here's how we edit it. It's actually very simple. So the first thing I want to do is I don't want this to be called chart title. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it once. Pops up this little window here. I'm going to say, let's call this aggression. And I hit enter to apply, and there it is. Now, one of my little pet peeves with graphs is, why do I have a legend if there's only one line? Chart the graph's labeled aggression, there's one line, the line's for aggression. So I'm going to click to edit the legend. This drop down here lets you change the placement of it, and I would like to say none. So now there's no legend. I don't want the left vertical axis title to be called left vertical axis title. So I'm going to click on there and I'm going to say daily total. I don't really want it to be in italics either, so I'm going to click italics button, that goes away. That's pretty small, so let's try to make it 15 font. Oops, I hit italics again. So there it is. And the horizontal axis is pretty obvious that that's the date, but why not? Click there, really click say date, really quickly get rid of the italics. Let's make it big again. These all look good, the dates. I could format the dates there, but those look pretty good to me. And you know what I say? I want to mess with this line a little bit. I want some markers. So by default, they just do a smooth line with no markers. So I hover over the line, the series, click Edit Series. Point size is this little icon here, and that is 0. So let's make that 7. Now we got some lines in there, and you know what? I don't like this color. Let's make it red. So I click out of it, and there you go. Now I changed the title. I labeled the axis, labeled this axis, I got rid of the legend, I put in some data points, I did that. There's a few things you can't do. You can't put a data label in. You can't put a phase change line in. We do have some limitations with what we're doing here. But you can do a lot of things, and it's really useful to get quick graphs for what's going on. And you can always export these to Excel and make the graphs that way. So that is how you edit a graph.